What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestin Capital here, and as you know, we do a weekly market outlook every single week, and that's just me showing you guys what I am anticipating for the markets. All right, what I'm anticipating, and we are going to react based off of what the market gives us. I'm not trying to predict the market at all, but I'm just giving a bias on where I see the market going. All right, so again, we're just predicting, we're anticipating where the market is going to go, and then we react based off of what we see the market doing. So currently on GU, you can see GU rejected off of this weekly level up here, 127,520. All right, 127,520 up here, broke down, and now it seems like we're holding this one support at 126,350 as resistance now. Now you can see this is very, very, very clean at the moment. These are two break-even trades that I took last week. Very, very clean at the moment. If it wasn't for the market close, I would have definitely held this trade. But we went into the weekend, and you know how, especially GU and GCAD, how certain pairs get when the market closes. It likes to spike right when it opens, and especially around between 5 and 6, where it's market transit when the market is transitioning into the open. You know, spikes can happen like crazy. So I did not hold this trade, but this is just something I'm forward testing for now. If the market does not spike, I may hop into the trade right at market open, but we'll see what happens. So you can see rejecting off of this weekly time frame right now, and the setup is there. You can see we're holding it very, very, very nicely as resistance. So I'm expecting GU to tank this coming week, drop down, continue to the downside. At least down to this daily level around 125, 400. So once we get here, we may see a little bit of hesitation, but honestly, I'm expecting it to break this daily level and continue to the downside, at least into 12500, 1.2500. So GU, we're looking good going to the downside. Same thing with the GCAD as well. GCAD was actually the play of was a pair of the week last week, because that pair actually traded out towards the end of the week. But we were rejecting off of this weekly time frame, daily time frame, and we are continuing to the downside. You can see clean bearish structure, support at this point, resistance, break, support, resistance, expecting the same thing, break, support, resistance. And if we can break this and hold this as resistance, I can see clear traffic to the downside on GCAD. So yeah, that's what we're expecting on GCAD. Same thing with GU, sells on GCAD and GU. And gold is at a weird point for me. What I want to see from gold is either a break above here. I'm really bullish on gold because you can see weekly time frame. It had this huge spike to the upside, this 2019.5 level. Used to push the upside, and now we're still holding this 2019.5 level as support. And I'm expecting price to continue to hold that as support, but you can see we've been in consolidation this past week. There were some pretty good moves intraday, but for the most part, we're in consolidation right now. What I want to see from gold is a break back above here. I want to see gold make its way back above this 2030 level, this blue line right here, and give me my setup to continue to the upside. So I want gold to push back up here. I don't want to buy gold from down here. I do not want to go buy gold from down here. Even though this is a support level, I do not want to go buy gold from down here. I want to see gold start to make its way back above this 2030 level before I start looking for buys. For sales on gold, I would need gold to break down below this 2019.5 level, which it even might break below and make its way back up to continue to the upside. So I'm going to have to wait for a daily for me to sell on gold, a daily break below this 2019.5 level. But again, right below this 2019 weekly level, there is a daily support that price is still holding very, very well. Even after it broke down here, price came right back up, and now you can see it's holding it. So this is kind of a weird spot for me with gold. So again, as I told you, I'm waiting for gold to break back above this 2030 level. Nasdaq, we created new all-time highs this week again. I think this is like 2-3 weeks in a row that we've created all-time highs. And yeah, just right now, I'm just looking for buys on NAS. Just simple retest right here, set up, and to continue to the upside. For sales on the NASDAQ, we would definitely have to be breaking below this point right here. 4 hour structure would have to break below here and start holding this as resistance for me to take Nasdaq back down, probably to around this level right here, this 16,700 or the 17,000 level. So right over here, it's 17,000 level. So yeah, that's currently what I'm looking at. GU bearish, GCAD bearish, gold bullish, Nasdaq bullish as well. So bullish 2 pairs, bearish 2 pairs. So we'll see what happens this next week. Again, we are not trying to predict the markets. We are just reacting to what the market is giving us, but we are making anticipations on what we can expect, and what we get from those anticipations, we react based off of what the market gives us. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know I've been hiatus. I'm going to give you guys an update, as I said, with my life and everything. I think I'm going to post that before this video. Whatever order you see it in is what you see it in. So I'll continue to update you guys. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.